Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today, we're here at Crypto.com, DeFi wallet. We're going to dive in to VVS Finance. So, yesterday, what we did was we set up some VVS here in the glitter mine, and we want to earn the single token. So VVS is still down off of its highs, but it's holding steady, maybe recovering slightly. So let's take a look over here at the mine. You can see we have some VVS staked for VVS. All right, cool. Auto stake, 112%. Manual we haven't activated, but we did activate single yesterday. So you can see since yesterday, about 24 hours ago or so, we have 0.24 single. Now single is about 20 cents right now, last I checked, and we have 450,000 staked, which is $14. So pretty good. So we made about 5 cents. All right, big deal, right? So here we're going to confirm, we're going to harvest single, and we're going to see if it charges us any fees. I haven't found that it will. Oh, yes it will. So I'm not going to harvest just yet. CRO is about 41 cents, so it's not really worth it. All right. Oh, the network is congested. Interesting. Well, I canceled that, so I'm closing this window. So I would not recommend doing this until you have at least $4 or $5 saved. Here we go over back at the Crypto.com app. We'll take a look at the Crypto.com coin, and you can see it's been going up. The last day it's up 3%, so that's good. Yesterday it was 40 cents, today 41 cents, tomorrow 42, 43, 44. If it goes up a penny a day, I'd be very happy. So we'll see how that works out. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. And Bitcoin, obviously, up about the same amount, almost 38. So after it hits 38, we're going straight to 40. From 40, we'll see where it happens, but I think it's going up. It's got to. It's got to. Inflation is crazy. All the market forces point up. So be sure to subscribe and see how we do. Thanks for watching.